Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm here with Senon, my nephew.
Hi!
Today, we're going to learn about descriptive words or adjectives in Bisaya. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Big, dako.
Dako,
Small, gamay.
gamay,
Tall, taas.
taas,
Short, mubo.
mubo,
Far, layo.
layo,
Near, duol.
duol,
Dirty, hugaw.
hugaw,
Clean, limpyo.
limpyo,
Noisy, saba.
saba,
Quiet, hilom.
hilom,
Hot, init.
init,
Cold, bugnaw.
bugnaw,
Slow, hinay.
hinay,
Fast, paspas.
paspas,
Dark, dulom.
dulom,
Bright, hayag.
hayag,
Wet, basa.
basa,
Dry, uga.
uga,
Nice, nindot.
nindot,
Ugly, pangit.
pangit,
Or maot.
maot,
Beautiful, guapa.
guwapa,
Handsome, guapo.
guwapo,
Difficult, lisod.
lisod,
Easy, sayon.
sayon,
Or dali.
dali. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.